Hello! In this video I will show you how to allow Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Blackview A200 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Settings. Then you have to click on Google Assistant and here click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then scroll down and click on I agree. Then you have to scroll down again and click I agree and then click next. And now click on voice model and click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on next, next, more, and I agree. Then you can go back again, and then click on lock screen, and then enable this first option. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.